When we start meditating or learn to meditate, we are very frequently beset by thoughts that come unbidden into the mind. It is sometimes very hard to rid the mind, to still it of incessant thinking. Ideas and thoughts bind us and control us, and once we can free ourselves of them, we can become liberated. There's nothing wrong with thinking, but when we meditate, we want to go beyond the mind. We want to go beyond what holds us back. We want to be free to experience our own inner divinity. We are conditioned mentally by inputs from our parents, teachers, books that we read, and so on. This frequently creates a perception of duality, and we become conditioned to ideas that might be illusory. When we get rid of these thoughts, the veil that separates us from our own true selves vanishes, and it will also cause many of our problems to dissipate when we realize that they are merely illusions. Join me now in a meditation to plumb the depths of the core being of ourselves. Sit comfortably, your hands in your lap, spine straight, chin tucked slightly in, and close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath and hold it, and exhale. Take another deep breath. Feel your shoulders loosening. Feel the tension draining away. Hold the breath and exhale. One more time. Slow, deep breath. Feeling the mind expanding. Holding it and slowly exhaling. Resume breathing normally. It will slow of its own accord as we go deeper. Center your thoughts upon your heart chakra, the seat of the soul, and visualize it growing in strength and size, filling up your body with love, expanding to fill the room. Feel the joy that love brings to you. Listen to the silence. Ask yourself, who am I? Who am I really? Is this body, this mind, these feelings and emotions, are they really me? Visualize your own great beingness as a vast, glowing presence. This may be referred to sometimes as your higher self. This is the energetic signature and vibratory pattern that you have always been. It exists as part of you, always. As you feel that energy and vibration, you know that it will never leave you. Know too that it is part of everything that exists. It is part of the universe. It is part of every particle, atom, and thought that exists. As you feel this energy expanding, you feel your heart bursting with joy, gratitude, and love. Knowing that this is you. You realize that life and the body you've chosen to express your God-given self is here to experience all the options of duality that exist on this planet. You begin to realize the density of the three-dimensional reality is but a construct of the mind. As you progress along this path to awakening, you will learn to give up notions, many thoughts, many intentions. And when you can still those thoughts, the mind will come to a point beyond the mind itself, which is infinite consciousness. Merge yourself with that consciousness as you feel that everything that exists within you. Feel the great peace and love that is your true nature. Bring yourself back into the body. Wriggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Allow your breath to become more regular. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment before you arise from your seat. Embrace the world with all the love that you hold in your heart. Namaste.